Today I'm making a video about this Panasonic microwave. I've had it for like 20 years and it stopped working. We'll put some time in here. Start. Timer goes, nothing happens. So it's probably the door switch. So we'll open it up and see what happens. Alright, this is what it looks like on the inside. And if you're not getting anything like on the panel, you're not getting any readings or anything, it's most likely that this fuse has let go on the power supply up here. But that means bigger problems. That means that likely one of the door switches over here are bad and need replacing. So there's one up here, and then there's another one hiding behind here. See if I can get it to focus right there. So yeah, one of those switches are bad. You're going to need to continuity test those switches and see which one's bad or working intermittently. So let's I'm going to do a check on mine and see what's up. So I got the top switch out right now, and there's a little push button here at the top, and we're going to see if it's faulty. 99% of the time when you're bad switch. 99% of the time when your microwave won't start, it's this door switch. So the one in this one was a D3V-16G-3C25. Anyway, it needs replacing. Let's put one in and see what happens. So I got this replacement switch off Amazon, and you see it's not exactly the same. So I think I'm just going to break off this tab here. You don't need to, but anyway, no sense in having it. You want to have it on the bottom tab there, so when you press the switch, there's continuity across those two tabs. So when you press it, I'll show how it works here. And that's how it works. So obviously new switch gonna work here, so we'll try to slap that in there and see how it goes. So I just worked it back and forth with some needle nose pliers, and I just broke off the tab flush. Doesn't matter, nothing's gonna connect there anyway, so we don't need that getting in the way. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the microwave now and see how it goes. So the switch is sitting there at the top. Just be careful when you're taking it out. There's a little tab. Just be gentle with that tab so you don't break her off. Otherwise you're gonna have to glue that thing in or something. You'll be really screwed. Let's test the microwave, see if it works. Okay, I have that switch installed on the top like I showed, and we're gonna do a test here and make sure it's working. I don't have the cover on. It needs safety bits. Torx bits. I don't know what the real name is, but you're going to need the one with the hole in the center, one of these Torx bits that fit. And there's lethal voltage in this, so when you're fooling around inside here, you make sure it's unplugged, and if you don't understand how to mess with electrical, probably shouldn't be in there. But anyway, we're going to give it a test and see how it works. Press start. There we are. It's working. Anyways, 99% of the time it's just the door switch, and depending where you buy it, you know, it could be as cheap as 50 cents from an electronic shop, or if you get them off Amazon, you can buy a whole pack of them for like cheap. I think it was like $20 for, I don't know how many bloody switches are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 switches. So anyway, hope that helps you out. Have a great day.